This video will show you how to add multiple guest details in a reservation. Hotelogix lets you add the details of one or more guests who share room in a reservation. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation to which you want to add multiple guests. Click View Details in the context menu that shows up. The selected reservation opens in a new tab. Click Enable Editing to make changes to the room sharer details. In order to add a new guest who is an adult, click the Adults drop-down arrow. From the Adults drop-down list, select the total number of adults you wish accommodate in the reservation. In case you wish to add children as room sharers, you can do the same using the Children drop-down arrow. Please note that the system doesn't allow to accommodate more than the maximum number of guests allowed for any given room type, including children. As we select the total number of adult room sharers as 3, 2 new entries will get added up to the room sharers grid. Click Manage Sharers to edit the basic details of newly added room sharers. The Manage Sharers panel opens up. Enter the basic guest details of the room sharers, like guest first and last name, phone number, etc. Select Share Charge for the guest, sharing the bill for the stay. The system automatically generates a split charge, separate folio for this sharer, with split charges if this option is selected. Click Save. You can edit more details of the room sharer by clicking the edit icon corresponding to the room sharer. The guest information panel opens up. You can add or edit the guest's details like name, gender, nationality, home address, work details and preferences, etc. Click Save. If required, you can remove a particular room sharer by clicking the delete icon corresponding to the guest. A confirmation message pops up. Click OK. The system removes the selected room sharer from the room sharers grid. Note: this can only be done on the same day when the sharer is added. Click Save. This brings us to the end of the video on how to add multiple guest details in a reservation.